Hello everyone, my name is Prajakta Kamble. In this video, I am going to uh, discuss about G matrix as my presentation topic for strategic management. So let's start the video. Then first we will discuss about G matrix. The G or McKinsey matrix. This is a form of portfolio analysis used for classifying product lines or strategic business units within a large company. It was developed by McKinsey for US General Electric Company. It assesses areas of the businesses in terms of two criteria. First, in the attractiveness of the industry, and second one is the strength of the business. Then there are some similarities and differences between G matrix and BCG, that is the Boston matrix. And the similarities are two dimensions are used to create a matrix. Each cell suggests an appropriate strategy. In both cases, we are concerned with the future strategy for a particular area, that is the division within the firm. And the major differences between the G matrix and BCG matrix are: the G matrix involves a wider analysis of the firm's operations. The dimensions of G matrix are industry attractiveness and business strength, rather than market share and market growth. There are 9 cells and wider choice of strategies. The Boston matrix focuses on products within the firm's product range. The G matrix can be extended to look at strategic business unit. Then let's discuss about strategic business unit. What is SBU? Definition of SBU: a particular product market combination that typically requires its own business plan. A part of company that is large enough to have its own well-defined market, attract its own set of competitors, and demand tangible resources and capabilities from the overall corporation. A discrete grouping within an organization with a delegated responsibility for strategically managing a product or services or group of a product of services. A division within a large national or multinational company is a SBU. Then we will discuss about industrial attractiveness. The vertical axis of the matrix is industrial attractiveness. This concerns the attractiveness to a firm of entering or remaining in a particular industry. Industry attractiveness is assessed by considering a range of factors, each of which is given a weighting to produce a composite picture. Then there are some criteria which makes market attractive, and these are market size, growth rate, overall return in industry, profit margins, differentiation, customer or supply relations, rate of technological change, volatility, then global opportunities, pest factors, entry and exit barrier, and government regulations. Then business unit strength. The horizontal axis of the matrix is the strength of business unit. This refers to how strong the firm or SBU is in terms of market. A market might be very attractive, but the firm lacks strength in terms of supplying the market. As with industry attractiveness, a composite of industry strength is based on weighting a range of factors. Notice that the Boston matrix dimensions are included in the G matrix. Market growth is an element of industry attractiveness, and market share is an element in business strength. Then here are some internal strength of any businesses are given. That is production capability, production flexibility, unit cost, R&D capabilities, reliability, company images, a profit margin relative to competitors, product uniqueness, market share, growth in market share, marketing capabilities, customer loyalty, and brand recognition. and brand recognition. Then this is the structure of GA matrix. On a horizontal axis is of industry attractiveness, and horizontal axis is of a business unit strength. Industry attractiveness is divided in high, medium, and low, and business strength is divided into strong, average, and weak. Then recommended strategies, that is growth. Strong business unit in attractive industries, average business unit in attractive industries, or strong unit in average industry. Then hold, uh, average business units in average industry, strong units in weak industry, weak units in attractive industry. And in harvest, weak units in unattractive industries, average units in unattractive industry, and weak units in average industry. Then let's discuss about sell one, that is invest for a growth. This is very attractive market in which the firm has great strength. Distinctive competencies can be harnesses to good advantages. Recommended strategies for sell one or growth. Invest for growth, search for global opportunities, maximize market share, seek dominance, concentrate on building up strength in this area. Then sell 2 and 4, that is manage selectively. These two cells record high rating in either business strength or industry attractiveness, and a medium rating in other, and medium rating in other. This suggests that these SBU show some promise. Recommended strategies for cell 2 and 4. Investment for growth. Invest to expand existing segment. Search for new segment. Build on existing strength in order maintain competitive ability and even to challenge for leadership. Then cells 3, 5 and 7 for manage selectively. In each case, the SBO has certain positive features, high in one of the dimensions or middling in both, high in one of the dimensions or middling in both. Recommended strategies for 357 cells. Invest for earning, maintain and defend market position, concentrate on selected segments, specialize in niche, niche where strength could be built on, invest selectively. Then cell 6 and 8 is a harvest cell. In each case, either market attractiveness or business strength is low and other one is only medium. The recommended strategies for cell 6 and 1, 6 and 8 is manage for cash, avoid unnecessary investment, move to the most profitable segment, prune product lines, specialize in profitable niches, and consider exit. Then last sale, that is the ninth sale, is divest sale. This is an attractive market in which the firm has no strength. The recommended strategy for sale 9 is exit the market, time the exit in order to sell at a time that will maximize cash value. In the meantime, cut fixed cost and avoid investment. So let's discuss example of J matrix for Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki founded in 1981 and products are Maruti 800, Omni, Alto SX4, Swift Desire, Swift, A-Star, Gypsy, Wagoner, Ritz and others. The core value for Maruti Suzuki are customer obsession, fast, flexible and first mover, innovation and creativity, networking and partnership, openness and learning. So this is G matrix for Maruti Suzuki. In this, The industry attractiveness of Maruti Suzuki are size, market growth, pricing, marketing diversity, competitive structure, and industry profitability. And the business strength of the Maruti Suzuki are size, growth, share, profitability, margin, position, image, and people. So, in sale 1, that is the investment and growth, where the investment and growth is high, the Swift comes under in cell 1, and for cell 2 and 4, that is again investment and growth, Swift Desire and Alto comes under these two cells. Then for 3, 5 and 7, that is the selective earning area, in which Wagoner, SX4 and A Star are includes. And for 6 and 8, that is the harvest sales, in that Versa and Baleno cars are included. And last sale, that is the 9 sale, in which Omni is included. Then let's move towards the last part of this presentation, that is the conclusion. As every tool or framework has its pros of being a great aid in the decision making process, it has its limitations as well. While the G matrix helps a marketer in taking products, portfolio investment decisions, it has its limitations too. One of those limitations is that the potential synergy and the undercurrent undercurrents between two businesses units of the similar organizations are not considered, which means that at the time certain businesses are run or certain products are maintained because they help in accentuating the other businesses or product, and therefore killing these products or thinking of the other product to be the strong product is misleading. Despite those small nuances, the J matrix is still one of the best management tool for the marketers. So this is all about J matrix. Thank you.